Oh, sorry.
In the Hypericum gentianoides.
No.
So this is put me in my obsession with really small plants that these little guys.
This is a Hypericum?
Yeah, and these, there's some more. Pretty sure it's gentianoides.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and like the leaves are just like little scales. There's almost nothing to this plant.
Christopher! Come here and marvel. So fun.
I haven't seen them in a while.
The itty bitties, man, they just get ya. And they're like, look at me, look at me. And we're like just stepping over him. Yeah, we are seeing some rare plants that maybe they're rare because their habitat has grown smaller and smaller. It's plants that like these open, maybe drier spots that are pretty prime real estate for like a development or a parking lot or something like that. You did! It's this little strip on the side of this gravel road, which actually is quite busy, so when it's dry out here, it kicks up a lot of dust, and that dust can settle on the side of the road. But what it's settling on is some of the most biodiverse spots in Virginia. This little strip contains so many species, native species, that we don't see very often. But the really, really fun thing is when you get to crouch down and look at the little details.
Hey, we'll stand right here and look at it, Marie.
So if I think about this just 1 square meter plot right in front of me here, I could probably find 30 different species of native plants that maybe you wouldn't see anywhere else. It's like, it's saying like on the main stem, do the hairs have glands? And both Greg and I think they don't. Also, there's a really cute spider.
So those tiny hairs on the inflorescence? Yes.
So they're like, are they gland tipped or are they not gland tipped?
Wow.
It's really important to, when you find something like this, to protect it. So you can see on the edge here, there's a lot of woody encroachment. And if that's allowed to continue, soon this patch is going to look like that patch. So we do need to take a step in. These ecosystems do need some kind of disturbance. In the past, maybe that was fire, maybe that was some sort of grazing. But you know, now that has all been limited. And so I think it needs humans to step in and do something about it.
Polygola?
Oh, nice.
So cute. Little milky milkwort. So cool.
Have you
There was recently a study done to categorize grasslands, specifically in the Virginia Piedmont. And they surveyed these grasslands and they found them to be, in some cases, some of the most biodiverse plots ever studied. This is really the first step to conserving them, is really understanding what they are. Because we can't protect it if we don't know what it is, essentially.
Which was your favorite airport to go in?
We are seeing just an explosion of the scaly blazing star out here, more than I've ever seen before. And I feel like when you see something like this, it's really these places telling you, like, here I am, you know, I'm still doing it, I'm still trying my hardest, and, you know, it's incredible. So, I don't know, I love it. It makes me feel like there's definitely something to, like, fight for still. And there is something worth preserving, so. That's how I feel about it.